Hi everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. I have a haul for you guys. I was able to go to JOANN's today, yay! But before I go ahead and share my small haul from JOANN's, I had some questions on my last video when I had posted my Mermazing card tutorial. One of you guys asked me, what is that die that you use to make your shaker? And it is the Jen Hadfield Polaroid die set, which is this right here. Okay, it is, I'm trying to think if it's a Sizzix die, you guys. I do not have the original packaging anymore, so it's a Pebbles die. And it came out 2014. So it is from Pebbles. But this is the die, what the die is called. And I just used the Polaroid here, and I used the banner. Okay, so that answers that question. Some of you guys are asking if I got this from Michaels. Yes, I did. I have a haul on it, actually. The Mermazing paper, I had to go to a different Michaels to actually find this. I wasn't looking for it. I just happened to find it when I was at a different Michaels. So, I find that not all Michaels have it. So you might have to, I don't know, ask them if they can find it for you, or maybe check online. Because at the Michaels close to me, they did not have this paper at all either. So, but this is the number, if that helps. I don't know if that number will help you when you inquire at your local Michaels. So let me see if I can focus. But that is the number on the back. Okay, so yeah, sorry guys. Like I said, at my Michaels, I didn't find this paper either. I didn't even know about the paper until I went to a different Michaels. All right, what else? The sequins that I used for my shaker, the shells. So I already have this kind of package, but the shells, that's from Cartwright sequins. So it's C.Cartwright sequins. You can just Google it. Ooh, that's really it's like shiny. It's not focusing. Yeah, C. Cartwright sequins. Okay, so I think that answers the questions that I recently received on my comments box. Okay, so let's get on with JOANN. So I was super happy that I was able to go to JOANN's. My husband was able to drive me today, and anyway, all right. So I found these were on clearance, and they were just with some other, I don't even remember what section I found this at. It was like where the papers are, and they were just there along with other papers. So anyway, these were clearance at 50 cents, and I decided to just get them because they're not stretchy or anything, but these are great for tags when you just want to put like twine on your tags. So these were the only two that I saw there, and for 50 cents I grabbed them. I went there for a couple of things. I wanted to get this die, this punch, because I had seen Marissa haul this. I saw it also online, and I knew I wanted to get this the next time I was at JOANN's, and luckily I was able to find one. And this I got on sale because their punches, I think, were, is it 30% off? I was trying to use a coupon, but apparently they were on sale, which I didn't know. But I think I got it, instead of $16.99, I think I got it for $11.99. So it's okay. I mean, I would have wanted to get it for less, but that is the actual size there. But it's a teeny tiny envelope, as you guys can see. It's only like not even 1 inch by 3/4 of an inch. Once I think it's like completed, but I had to have it because I really want to make some small embellishments, so I got that. I did check their bead section when I shouldn't have, because but anyway, I was good. I did not get any beads. I did need a chain, and I was gonna get it on Amazon, but I saw it at JOANN's and I decided, let me just get it, because these were similar to the ones I was looking at on Amazon. And these were 50% off, and so I got it for $2.50 because they were $4.99. And it's a Hildy and Joe necklace. It's 16-inch, and I guess that's the SKU number right there if you're interested. But yeah, I needed these so I can make those pretty mermaid necklaces. So I got 3 of them. I did check out all the Park Lane stuff, and yes, they're also nice. I mean, I haven't been to JOANN's. Well, I actually don't have a good JOANN's next to me. It used to be better. They had a lot of like paper crafting scrapbook section. Now it's like it's dwindled down to like they don't even have new papers and things. The last time I was there. So I went to a bigger JOANN's. It's like a superstore JOANN's, and they had all the Park Lane stuff there. I did grab this, you guys, this embossing folder, because I thought it was really cute, and I'm so into making sea-themed projects right now. So I grabbed this, and this was $5.99, but I used a 40% coupon. So I think I got it for $4.50 maybe, something like that. Since I am doing a sea theme, I wanted to get this paper. Originally, I actually saw a goodie bag in the bins. So they're like I don't think they're vellum bags. I think they were just goodie bags, but they had this wood grain style, and they had like some of these colors, you know, they were bright colors. So I put that one back, and I decided to get this one. Now there's 50 sheets in this one. This one was, I think, $8.99, but I did use a coupon, so I did get it for less, but I like it, and I plan to do something with this, and it's sea theme related, so I'm gonna see what I can do with this one. But I love that it comes in different colors, and they're all wood grain, and I especially like this one, the original, like, you know, this color, wood color. So I got that. So that was kind of, you know, expensive, but I figured this better be good quality paper, because this is a new what do you call it, line for me. I've never tried Park Lane papery. It's new at JOANN, so hopefully it's good. So I'll let you guys know. But you do get a lot in that pack, so I didn't mind paying for that. And, you know, I still used a coupon. I got these on clearance, and these were $1.97, and they were just like at an end cap where all the washi tapes were, and I thought this was cute for my sea theme. And then there was this baby one. I thought it was really cute too, with this stork. Really pretty, and it was only $1.97, so I did pick up these. They had some other ones, but these were the only 2 that I was interested in. I'm super excited to share this one with you guys. I think this is one of their new papers. Let me see. It says 2017, but I hadn't seen it before, and like I said, the last time I was there, I didn't browse. I just went there quickly, and there's so many pretty papers right now, you guys. I like want them all, but obviously I can't. So I actually picked up the tags one, the ones you can just pop out, and then I put it back because I wanted this one instead. I know, it's crazy because I already have like the Mermazing paper, but I was just drawn to this one. I don't know, I was. Sorry guys, I'm looking for my scissors and I can't. I just put it away too and I don't know what I did with it. Okay, let's just look at this paper. I don't know if you guys have seen this one, but it's called Beach House. And there's just some elements in here that I really, really like. So, and again, I don't know if this is new this year or if this was from last year, even though it says 2017 on it. Okay, so anyway, look how pretty. That is the Beach House. So I really, really like that. And then lastly, at JOANN's, I got this foil poster board. It's Cricut. For some reason I thought I could use my coupon. I don't know. I guess I'm a little I'm a little out of it. Yeah, so but this was $6.99, which it's not bad, because considering that they're all foil paper, you guys, and they're thick. Let me show you. And the reason I got this is I've been forever wanting these companies, these paper companies, to like give us more foiled paper stacks, like with nice colors, like not just the gold and the silver. And, you know, sometimes you get some blues, sometimes you get the darker pinks, and, you know, it's just not really my colors. I want like a pastel stack, you know, with pretty pink, and I like this one, so let me show you guys. And you know, these foil papers, when they sell them individually, they're $2. And nowadays, when they go on sale, they're not even half off. They're like $1.49 sometimes at Michael's. You get this rose gold. Oh, I didn't know they were loose. Okay, I thought it was a paper pad, but that's good. That's even better. You get this rosy gold. Oh, I don't even know it's rose gold. It's just kind of this rose color. It's not so much gold. It's more on the rose side. But isn't that pretty? And you get 2 of that. This is more of a rose gold, I think. You get that. Really pretty, and they're thick. And these would just be pretty to die cut, I think. So hopefully, let's see, this will work out. Look at this. It's mint. It's like a minty foil. Isn't that pretty? Like, you just don't get a stack with these pretty colors. I have not seen it. And so you get 2 of those. You know, perfect for a sea theme, right? And then you guys, look, purple. I mean, I hardly ever see purple foiled. And it's a really pretty purple. It's like violet. How pretty. And then you get this, it's kind of like a purplish blue. Or maybe this is more of a violet. The other one's a little more on the pink side. This one's more on the blue side. How pretty is that? And you can totally emboss these. If you have like a mermaid scale embossing folder, wouldn't that be pretty to emboss? And then you can die cut it. Oh, can't wait to play with those. So I hope it's not like too thick that, I don't know. We'll just see how I use it. So those are the colors you get, and it was $6.99. Like I said, couldn't use a coupon for it, so I did pay $7 for this. But 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, you get all these. So even if I got this $1 each, it cost me more, right? Even if it was on sale at Michael's for $1 per sheet, still, it'd be 2, 4, 6, $8. So I'm still saving some, but it's just nice to have it in one pack already for you. And look, and you get some acetate that you can reuse. And yeah, so love it. So that is my JOANN's haul. I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, check it out at your JOANN's. And thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.